Hey, here we talk about yeast. Yeast are the living microorganism of the fungi family of the planet. It requires moisture, food, and temperature in order to be active. A flour dough which had all these three things for the yeast to grow. So the first one is moisture. As you probably know, liquids used in the mixing of the dough. Second is the food, which should be ticked because from the starch of the flour, we got sugar inside. And number three is the temperature, which we are the person ultimately controlling the working condition. The good temperature of the yeast fermentations is between 26 to 32 degrees Celsius, and yeast will be killed between 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. Here, the word fermentation means aeration of the dough by production of the CO2. Yeast are usually available in two forms, the fresh one and the dry one. And both of them, you should keep them, store them covered in the fridge at about 4.5 degrees Celsius. And for the dry or instant one, once it's opened, you may consider putting to the fridge, or actually freezer, in order to extend its shelf life. In terms of using of the yeast, if the recipe say certain amount of fresh yeast, you may only need to use a half or even a third of the weight of the dry yeast for fermentation purpose. Just two more points before we finish. First is do not mix salt or too much sugar with the yeast. They will retard and possibly kill the yeast. Second one is fats and shortening agent will soften the gluten stance in the dough and therefore weakening the structure and not holding the gas provided from the yeast.